Hello everyone, my name is Olga, my pronouns are she, her, and I'm here to present my Capstone project, which called Runtime. Runtime is an app for Android and iOS that notifies user about optimal time for a run or walk based on personal preferences and weather forecast. I came up with this idea during my study from home time when I tried to run or walk every day, but I skipped most of my attempts due to the rain or involvement into my projects. So I decided to make a mobile app that solves these two major problems, reminds user to go for a run or walk on regular basis, depends on schedule and weather, and inform user about upcoming time slots for a day. My app can be helpful for everyone who works, study from home, or just want to maintain healthy habits. In order to pick technologies, I talk to my friends and ask them what kind of cell phones do they have. And it turns out half of them use iOS and half of Android. So that's why I wanted to find something universal for my project. So this is how I came up with this tech stack. To build my app, I use Flutter and Dart language to make it cross-platform. In addition to that, I utilized Firebase authentication and Open Weather API. My major takeaways from independent work were sometimes it was difficult to stop improving one feature instead of working on another, so I had to strictly follow my daily plans to progress on a project in general. Also, I noticed some similarities learning new technologies. Some ideas in Flutter look similar to React. For instance, the concept of components and widgets. And the last one, even a simple task can have many corner cases that makes it difficult to implement. Now I want to move to the demo here. Here's the welcome screen of the Runtime app, where existing user can log in and new user can register. Let's say I'm a new user and I would like to register in the app. Here, I should enter an email and password. Let's say my email is olga.gmail.com and I have super secure password 123456. Here you can see the main page of the app. At the top of it, there is a message about next optimal time for a run. The message below displaying information about the day in general. In the lower part, there is a table with hourly weather forecast and the current temperature. There are default user settings that can be changed by the user.
If I go into settings, you can see a few fields here. The duration of run can last from 15 minutes to 1 hour. Now it's set to 30 minutes. A time range that represents the beginning and the end of the day when the user prefers to run. For instance, I'm most likely to be running between 10 to 5. Block time is the time range that I want to exclude from my day. For instance, I don't like to run over my lunch break. And notification is the time range, is the time I want to show notification for the user.
Let's see how notification works. Now app informs that next optimal time slot is at 1 p.m. So notification will be sent at 12:45. Here's the notification. Now it's 12:45. This notification informs about optimal time slot, and if user clicks on it, it will redirect to the app. What if we have typical rainy day in Seattle? In this case, the message in the app will change, and it will notify user that there's only one chance to go for a run. Also, I wanted to mention that notification has two options represented as a buttons, which is accept and busy today. And if a user picks one of them, that means that no notification will be shown until the end of the day, but it will resume tomorrow. Working on my project, I was truly inspired by it and want to make it better by adding synchronization with Google Calendar so the app keep track of users' meetings. So this was my Runtime app. Thank you so much for listening. I'm open for questions and comments. Thank you again.